brand new Maker 4. Kickstart your creativity. What's in the box? Ooh. We have the mini weeder, the Cricut black pen, and a 0.4 black tip. It also comes with the manual and some goodies. So we have some smart iron-on, smart vinyl removable. Oh, nice, that's in a black there. Oh, they're meant to go together. Some black. We have some cardstock and some transfer tape. So if you've got nothing, this is a great place to start. Iron-on, removable, and transfer tape, cardstock. So how cool. I love how these are packaged. They are always so secure. We also get a mat. How awesome. A full-size 30 by 30 mat. It's just been a little creased in there. All your power tools. I really thought this was different, like more greeny, but I'm liking no tape. Ta-da! Put our little pen in there. How beautiful. I'm gonna come see it up close. Stunning. I love this. I actually really love this color. Now to have some fun. Come and set up a new machine on Design Space. We are going to select machine and then select Maker 4. It is then going to prompt us to make sure there is space behind our machine and to connect to the power. Today I'm connecting via Bluetooth and it's just going to go through all the prompts, super easy to follow. I had no glitches here, it is all done. And what I've actually loved in the newer machines that I've set up is it actually takes you to do your first craft, which I thought was super cool. It gives you a quick little breakdown of how Design Space works. Here you select your shape and then you select your text, enter your text, and what you're going to do is grab some of that vinyl from the starter pack that was in the box with it. So we're going to grab that, and it's actually smart vinyl, so we're not going to need our mats or anything like that. This is super easy. Here I have our vinyl. There we're just going to slide it in. There's a sensor there that reads that your vinyl is put in, so no need for a mat. However, obviously we're not using the entirety of this vinyl, so once you cut off what you do need, you can, it's not a waste, you just put the rest of that on a mat. It just doesn't become smart, if that makes sense. But here it is, going to cut away super fast. This one is 2 times faster than the Maker 3. All done. So now what I'm going to do is just cut off the excess so it's easier to weed. Weeding is when you remove the excess vinyl that you don't need. So the little pick at the front, at the start of the video, that can be used to weed, or you can use all your other Cricut tools that come in the little bundles. Now I've sped that up because no one wants to be sitting here watching this for ages. And after I've weeded it, what I'm going to do is just make sure I've taken away all the excess bits. I'm going to grab some transfer tape. This was also in the starter kit at the start. And perfect. What I'm going to do is cut it to size, and we're going to lay it on top. There is burnishing tools that come in the kits. I just didn't grab it for this one, so use my hands. Here we have it. Our transfer tape is on top. We are going to pull the back away. See how we've done that? Leaving the sticky side up. So then what we're going to grab is, I'm going to use some of that cardstock that we got in the kit. May as well use it all. And we're going to pop our vinyl on top. So yes, you can put vinyl on cardstock. You just have to be a little bit careful with the tape and just remove it slowly so you're not pulling away the paper. But I honestly found that there was no tears, nothing. This actually came out really well. Ta-da! All done. How cute! So this is all made before you've even completely got into Design Space. I hope this video has been helpful. If you ever have any questions, please like, subscribe and follow, and I'm here to help.